Hello, I'm Leighton Starr, and welcome to my channel. In today's episode, this is crazy. Okay, hi guys, if you're new here, welcome. If you're not new here, thanks for coming back. Kinda cool, right? I have decided that I'm gonna do actually showing the process of me going through hell trying to sew stuff. So today is Wednesday. Nope, today's Tuesday. Right now, Tuesday night. We're about to start a project that should be done by Thursday night, or at least Friday morning, because I'm attending a fete called XPERIENCE on Saturday. Dress code is white, so I am going to be limiting myself to the white fabric that I have in my arsenal. Anybody who sews know we all have an arsenal of fabric that we haven't used, that we're like, oh, I'm gonna buy this, it's gonna be for this project specifically, and then you never end up doing the project and the fabric never ends up getting used. So yeah, I'm trying to hold myself accountable and actually film, edit, and post videos like this, so you will be coming along for the ride. Unless I actually don't post it, then you have no idea what's going on anyways. But I really will be trying to hold myself accountable and actually post stuff like this, showing the torturous, laborious process. So yeah, this is a look for me. So I guess I'll show fittings and stuff. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Okay? We'll see. Yeah, okay, this intro is way too long now. So let's go. Yep. So I'm back. Last night I was a little bit discouraged because I was looking for a pattern that I was looking forward to using. Couldn't find it, and so I was just like, you know what, never mind, and I went to bed. But tonight I am back. I am determined to at least cut out. No, I'm determined to cut out everything. I'm determined to cut out the pants and the top, and maybe start sewing one of them. We'll see. We'll see how far I get. But okay, so I kind of decided to go really super duper simple. Yeah, so I gotta do a t-shirt that I cut out well over a year ago and didn't sew it, and now it has a stain on it. I'm gonna wash it and hope that it washes out and everything is fine. So it's just gonna be plain t-shirt, simple shorts, and then the rest will just be accessorizing.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?
About a year and a half ago. So everything is basically cut out by now. Also, let me just say this, right? If you think sewing is not very physically labor intensive, look at my forehead right now. I am sweating. Okay, next step. Why the fuck is it skipping? Oh my god. And then it's not skipping. I'm just like, what the fuck? This shit is pissing me off so bad. This shit is pissing me off so fucking bad. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this machine has been like it's driving me insane because I'm trying test fabric and it's sewing absolutely fine. Try sewing on the actual garment. It's making a goddamn mad person of me. It's driving me insane. So I've tried everything. I've retread. I've changed the tension, the stitch length, this, that, the other. I think the last option for me is to just change the needle and see if that works. And usually I'll go with a needle till it breaks. I'll go with a needle till it breaks, till it bends, till it snags the fabric. It's not doing any of that right now, but I'm gonna change it and see if it works. And if it doesn't, I'm just gonna jump. I'm gonna jump off a building because this is ah! If this doesn't work now, I'm gonna go to bed because I can't. I can't. Okay. It was the needle. Oh my gosh. You could have just said that. Shit. Anyways, okay. I assume it's gonna be smooth sailing from here on out. Now that I've gone through literal hell to sew a regular t-shirt, let's try it on and make sure it fits. Okay, that works. I have a 1/2 inch hem and a 1/2 inch hem on the sleeve, and I'll do a binding for the neckline. And yeah, that's about it. Okay, I'm gonna call it at night, and tomorrow I'm gonna work on the pants and work on finishing this t-shirt, and that's about it. Jesus fucking Christ. I can't believe all of that headache I just went through, only for the solution to simply be just change the needle. Just change the needle. Anyways, good night. Okay, I'm back. So after last night and surviving what was essentially a mental breakdown because I had no idea what was happening with my machine, I'm now back to sew the pants and finish up the t-shirt and call it a day. Let's see how quickly we can get this done. Okay, this is the pants so far. I just need to hem it, whack a hem on there and a hem on there, bang bang, and do a little waistline binding. I'm not gonna do a waistband, just a binding, and that should be it. We're done. Alright. Time to finish. I'm done. This is like the first time in so long that I have finished a project not in the nick of time, not like at the 99th hour. And so now I'm like, well, what now? Do I do rhinestone it? Do I bedazzle it? No, I can't. Okay. I'm going to bed. I think that's the only reasonable thing to do at this point. I just put on my shoes to see if this look make any kind of sense, because right now I'm not really feeling like if it make any kind of sense. This is the look. Basic. I look basic. I look basic as hell. Like, it looks like I'm gonna play tennis. I look like I'm about to play tennis. But this is gonna have to do. At this point, it's whatever. It's beyond me. It's up to God. It's up to God now. Okay. Alright, I'm done. Okay, ready for the pictures. Here goes. Voila. This is how the look turned out. Oh my gosh, thank you all for sticking with me. Make sure to subscribe. Bye.